Hello everyone, this video is about the employee time-off restriction app which helps the users put restrictions on different time-off types with features like availing birthday leave and also providing the option for deducting the particular time-off type from payroll. This video is for version 17. I will be showing you the flow and functionality for this. Let me start by going to the user settings. When I click on the user, let me click create a new user and name her Dhara. Let me provide the necessary details, and when I click on save, I can see that the option for creating an employee is available. When I create an employee, I can see that there are no contracts available for this employee. Let me go ahead and create a valid contract for this employee. I will provide the title for the contract and the necessary details, that is contract type, job position, department, etc. I will not provide the contract end date. I will also provide the wages. When I click on save, a contract will be created. It is necessary that this contract is in the running state. So I will click on running and the stage will be stained. Now, when I go into the private information tab, I can see the field for date of birth. I will be setting the date of birth as March 1, 2001. Note that for this module, this field will be a read-only field. It cannot be changed by any user. When I click on save, now let me go to the user and let me create various time-off types by going to the time-off module. When I click on new, you can see that the option for birthday leave is added. Here, it will be automatically created for the present year, that is 2025. I can provide an optional description, and when I click on save, we can see that the birthday leave is created for March 1, 2025. Let me also go ahead and create it for sick time off. I will provide the necessary details for date, and when I click on save, sick time off leaves will be created. Let me also go ahead and create leaves for unpaid. When I click on unpaid, I will provide again the necessary details for dates, and when I click on save, the unpaid leaves will also be created. All of these leaves have to be approved by their manager, which we will do so by going to the manager's login. When I click on save, unpaid leaves will be created from 15 to 17. Now, let me go to the admin login and click on time off module. Under the management tab is where I can find the time off option. When I click on time off, all of the to be approved time offs will be available, and we can see that the 3 leaves created by Dhara are available here. That is birthday, unpaid and sick leave. All we have to do is just approve these, and these will be automatically added to the payslips. Let me show you the functionality of how do we deduct these leaves from the payroll of that particular employee. For that, we'll go to the configuration and time off types. We'll go to unpaid, and under the payroll section, we can see that there's a boolean for deduct salary from payroll. When checked, this particular time off type will be deducted from the payroll. We'll do that the same for unpaid and sick leaves both. We'll do that for sick time off as well, as I mentioned. And we'll leave it empty for birthday leave because we do not want to deduct birthday leave from payroll. Now, I will go to the employees menu. I will click on the particular employee, and I can see that there are no work entries here because the leaves are not approved yet. Let me go ahead to the time off module and approve various leaves. That is, let me also approve unpaid and sick time offs. Let me go ahead and approve all of these leaves. Let me go to the payroll module from our admin login. And when I click on payslips, when I click on all payslips, let me click on new. Here I'll select the employee as Dhara, and we can see that we tick the boolean for unpaid and sick time off to deduct from payroll. Only those leaves are available. We did not do it for birthday leave, so birthday leave will not be deducted from payroll. This is the payslip sheet for Dhara. When I click on compute sheet, the sheet will be computed, and when I click on confirm, the sheet will be confirmed. I can also mark as paid. This is the entire flow and functionality for this particular module. Please note your queries down in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video and please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.